press the bell icon and never miss a single quick reaction team video.
I'm in love with my teacher. She's extremely beautiful, unmarried, and she's soft-hearted. How do I carry a conversation with her? How do I impress her basically?
हर स्टूडेंट को प्यार होता है अपनी टीचर से, मुझे भी है. Sounds weird.
Be the joker of the class. I think that's the only way to get a teacher's attention. And if like she's really damn hot, then you know what, just come up to her and say whatever you want to say.
Kasagai, Mumbai. I hope I said that properly. Finally, we made it to your city, the city of dreams. On our first day here in this beautiful city, we took some of your most interesting comments to the streets. So guys, like always, sit back, relax, and let's see what people here have to say. Have you ever sent any awkward message to your parents by mistake?
Yes. Instead of messaging my friend, I messaged her mom saying, I'm really drunk, open the door, I'm gonna crash at your place.
Yeah, I sent 35 courses to my dad.
I was sending this message to one of my friends, okay, and by mistake dad ka message aaya tha. And it was full of abusive language and I by mistakenly sent it to him.
Texted my mom, like, I had to reply to another friend saying, like, my exact words were "F you."
And I was texting my friend of mine, and we were like conversing around. We were sending each other like non-veg jokes and everything. So I ended up sending one to my father. And I didn't, because he didn't understand what is this and what is that. She was like, what is this? I got nothing, Papa. That's how we text these days.
I was abusing to a friend of mine and it went to the sir. I was like, oh shit. So I had to tell him sorry. So
Basically, I had a plan to go out somewhere out of Mumbai and she wasn't supposed to know. So yeah, so when I was writing the message, when am I going to worry back? And the guy who I was sending to was with M. So basically, my mom just sent to my mom and I was like, what is this? And he was like, nothing, it's for a project. And then yeah, I was blasted.
Please ask people that would they ever date? I mean, let's say particularly, would you ever date a guy with grey or white hair? That too, if it's of a 18-year-old guy.
Why would a girl would like to date him?
never. Salt and pepper look. I'd get him to dye it black.
Yes, why not? It's the in thing actually. I would color my hair grey if I had a chance to.
Yeah, it's completely cool. It's in fashion,
Especially of your age?
Yeah, platinum blonde. It looks good.
Why not? Wouldn't you date?
Depends how smart he is. Whether it
Yeah, exactly. Like hair doesn't make that much of a difference.
So bro, would you ever date a girl with grey hair? Especially of your age?
No.
Doesn't matter as long as she's hot and beautiful.
Yeah, I would.
Pretty or kaale baal or safed baal doesn't
It doesn't matter.
Different colors would be acceptable, but not grey.
matter. I'm in love with my teacher.
Okay.
She's extremely beautiful, she's unmarried, soft-hearted. How do I increase my conversation with her?
First of all, which standard is he in?
I wanna go with the dirty side.
I think you should just not complete your homework, so like she gives you more attention and she like focuses on you, and then with that chance you can like be like, okay, so like you can come to my house and give me tuition for 1 hour or something.
We'll start a conversation. Okay, let's go then and do flirting a little bit, and that will help him out.
ask for extra lectures randomly, like tell her like I'm gonna fail, so you can just help me, and like
It would be fun, I guess.
no, why not for extra grades?
He should probably not try it with his teacher. Might affect his marks a little.
गलत बात है ना, स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं जाना चाहिए.
Bichara we are disappointed, right?
Yeah, please find someone else. Don't do don't do
Oh, I don't know how old is this.
No idea, he hasn't mentioned his age.
Yeah, exactly.
If it's first time, then it's probably just hormones. He'll be over it in like 2 months.
So tell us something, has it ever happened with you, you having a crush on your professors?
Oh, I have like 3 teacher crushes right there. So f***ing hot, you have no idea.
Yeah, my sports sir. Yeah. There are no good-looking sirs.
Sir, he used to entertain us all the time. Like extra classes, bacha.
Was he your crush?
No, he was annoying.
Secretly, do you guys have any crush on? Alright, there's another guy, he's saying, what should I do if I have a very bad sense of humor and bad flirting skills that most of the girls look for?
Hasi to fussy type.
So how do I impress her without the humor and flirting part?
It's okay, keep trying. Never lose hope. I think he should answer that.
You know what? If you don't have a sense of humor, might as well wait for the arranged marriage.
Be rich.
You don't necessarily have to be humorous to carry a conversation forward.
Girls actually don't get impressed through flirting.
You don't need humor. Your actions can speak a lot. Like
Actions like what? Thappar uppar marna?
no. With me that might work, but not with everybody.
I don't really go for flirting, but yes, humor. Guys with humor, yeah.
Do you agree with that?
Sense of humor is not important, but it's always a good thing to have. Like, I crack very bad jokes, and
Still you can make people laugh.
yeah, I mean, because if they're not laughing at me, if they're not laughing with me, it's at me.
Try to build a better sense of humor. Watch more YouTube videos.
More of QRT videos.
Self-promotion. That one.
The most gentle you are to that girl, the most soft you are to that girl, that matters to that extent.
I'll suggest be yourself, dude. If not her, somebody better.
Find someone who does not like both. Like some boring girl who might someone.
Flirting is not as important as it is like actually holding a conversation that's interesting. You don't need to flirt for somebody to be impressed. Never lose hope. Keep trying.
Specifically suggest him something.
वो धीरे-धीरे हो जाएगा. When you start cracking jokes and with your friends and all, try it on your friends first. Then they'll keep giving you advices not to do this, not to do that. It'll get better.
Nice suggestion.
I don't think so. You need to have flirting skills to be honest, and you like or even humorous. You just have to be a nice human being in the end.
So did you guys enjoy our today's video? Go and hit that like button right now. Jaldi se yaar usko press karo. Also let us know that in which city do you guys want to see us next. Also check out the super cool feature now on your mobile phone. So click here to see our previous video. Click here to see one of the best videos of QRT. Click on the circle so that you can subscribe to our channel and you can get all our fresh videos first on YouTube. I'm going to see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye.